So guys, welcome to join the channel. So let's start. Today we'll download Office 365 setup according the requirements 64 or 32 bit and the channel version as well. So let's start to be follow the process accordingly. So first of all, we'll have to be refer this page, the Microsoft according to we will proceed the same. So we need in this deployment download the Office deployment tool. First one, just click over there, or you can click this one to download this page, and you will be become like this page, and click to download it. Second, we'll make a configuration file to be help to download the setup file using the this ODT tool. So we'll go to this config.office.com and download the package and here. So this is asking what the architecture you need it 64 bit or 32 bit. We'll select in my case 64 bit, and the package it is asking to be have to be required to download. I will be selecting in my case Office 365 for business, and this is asking for the channel updates. You can select current latest one or current channel previous something, and the version also it is available latest or last two previous period if you need it. Customize the package accordingly, you need it to be customized is required, else select next, and rest of the language you can select here in the English India. Rest settings will be remain same. And click finish and click to export, and we'll use the keep current setting and click OK, then accept, and we'll make the same name configuration because we are following document, so we do not want to be any confusion during the process. So we'll export it. It is also exported now, and we'll go to the file. I will keep copy this file both one and go to the C path and make it here ODT folder like this. I have already downloaded recently, so just use the same file and copy them here which we have downloaded, this one and this one we will replace here the same. Okay, so I did it. So whenever you run this file, this one, whenever you run this software development file, use the same location path from here and will be exported like that. We will do that right now. Okay, so will we do that? Terms and conditions, export, here the path over the seams, see ODT. Okay, the setup file is uploaded here. Now we'll open the CMD as an administrator to be run the script commands, same file to download the setup. So now we'll follow the next process to download the file according to the requirement. For example, we have to download first file one first. So we'll go to the command and promote and download this one setup, press enter. It will start the download setup here, and it will be appear this folder after that, and you can see that this will be start downloading whenever click. Okay, and use the same location if you need to be installed after downloaded the file. For installation method you have to be use configure the same except download. So we'll remove it, use XML and press enter, and it will be start installation the file same. Or we can select 64-bit configuration file and start configure configuration XML and press enter, and it will be start installation, and wait for a moment. This is completely offline method after downloaded the setup file. Configuration will be only happen, configuration part only will be happen once the setup is downloaded only. Thank you for watching my video. Welcome, bye bye. Like and share and subscribe please.